Shut up and sit down.
Prevention is better than cure. It is better to stop any harm from coming to us. We should not have it and then try to remove it. We know that bad habits once formed are difficult to be shaken off. So, the best way would be to avoid developing such bad habits. A little care and preventive measures taken in time may save us a good deal of risk and harassment. When flu breaks out, we must try to protect ourselves first. We should not wait till it attacks us. Prevention is always easier than cure. God has given us intelligence and imagination. We must act wisely and timely to prevent dangers from coming to us.